Hello, welcome to It's Science. The public health crisis is picking up right now. Maintaining a good hygiene, like washing your hands for 20 seconds every hour or wearing a number of masks, may not be sufficient for us. If you do not have a strong immune system, because that is the most important barrier a virus could penetrate. So today I'll be discussing about some foods, the importance of your gut health, importance of a very good night sleep, and your psychological health to boost or support your immune system. My first pick is turmeric. Turmeric can be used to reduce anxiety, arthritis, pain, inflammatory condition, microbial infections, and the list goes on. But turmeric contains a natural polyphenol which is called curcumin. Now curcumin has a very poor bioavailability for our own body. And curcumin is the prime component of turmeric. So taking turmeric alone will not do any good for you. Now what do you mean by bioavailability? Turmeric has a very poor absorption because of its faster metabolic rate, and it rapidly goes out of our body. So there must be something which blocks this. There is another compound which is called piperine. And piperine is actually the major compound or substance present in black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin, that is turmeric, by up to 2000%. So you please take turmeric with black pepper. Second is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain so many healthy fats, magnesium and zinc. Magnesium can take part in 600 chemical reactions in our body. Zinc is very much essential to improve sperm quality. Pumpkin seeds also contain a good amount of iron, copper, manganese, vitamin K, vitamin B12, which helps you in the reduction of blood pressure, blood sugar, inflammation, and which helps you fight free radicals. Next is vitamin C. You all know that vitamin C is very much important for our immune system. If we consume just a single bell pepper raw per day, then it can meet up our daily need of vitamin C. According to Professor Tim Spector, King's College, London, he recently published a research paper in which he has claimed that a very good gut health, यानी हमारे पेट के अंदर जो आंत है उसका जो हेल्थ है, it can support our immune system to fight COVID-19. But why is that? ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि हम जब खाना खाते हैं तो हम सिर्फ अपने आप के लिए खाना नहीं खाते, हम ट्रिलियंस ऑफ माइक्रोब्स जो हमारे पेट के अंदर जो गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टिनल ट्रैक्ट है यानी गट है वहाँ पे रहता है और हमको इन्फेक्शन को फाइट करने में मदद करती है, उनको भी खिलाते हैं. सो हैव अ वेरी गुड डाइट to maintain a good gut health. Next is sleep. There is no alternative of a good night's sleep, because during sleep a very important substance called cytokine comes into action to fight against the infection. मैंने कुछ ही देर पहले pumpkin seeds के बारे में बात किया था. अब आप अगर सोने से पहले 1 घंटे पहले कुछ pumpkin seeds consume करते हैं, then you may have a good sleep, because it contains a good protein called tryptophan. But above all, this is all about our physical goodness. What about the psychological goodness? how to tackle with the anxiety due to this COVID-19. Please put your hand on your heart, just close your eyes and hum in yourself that I am safe, I am strong, I have a good immune system and I am protected. This positive attitude may help you to boost your immune system also. Take care. Thanks for your time.